Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to find and recover deleted apps on any Samsung phone. Now, to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone, then tap on the profile icon over here. From here, just tap on Manage Apps and Devices, and from here, just select Manage. Now, from here, just tap on Installed. If you cannot find the installed option over here, just tap on this device. If you're using your Gmail on multiple devices, the installed option will change to this device. Now just tap on this device and select Not Installed. And once you do that, you will find all the apps which are deleted on your Samsung phone. Now just select the app which you want to recover and select Download. And once you do that, you will recover the deleted app on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can find and recover deleted apps on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.